Fix charger port not working on your iPhone. Now, to fix the charger port not working on your iPhone, the main common reason is that it may be loose or it may be full of dust there, or the cable may be the main issue behind it. So to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the most common fix is that you just need to clean the charging port. So if your iPhone is Lightning or USB-C to C port, then it may be full of dust or some kind of lint. So you just need to use the safe brush to clean the charging port of your iPhone. So the safest way of doing is that you just need to turn off your iPhone and you just need to scrape the dust out slowly and also blow gently on it, and make sure that you don't use any kind of liquid or metal inside of it. So the next way is that you just need to use another cable for your iPhone. So try to use the alternative cable to charge your phone and see if it works or not. So if that doesn't work, then you just need to use the another adapter for your phone. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to check for any liquid or moisture on the charging port. So if your iPhone shows liquid detected, then you just need to unplug the cable and you just need to leave your phone on any kind of dry place for 2 to 3 hours, and make sure you don't use any kind of hair dryer or don't put it on the rice. So if that doesn't help, then you just need to long press the power button and volume up button at the same time, and you'll be taken into this space. So from here you just need to slide the power of your phone. It means that you will restart your iPhone. That may also help you to fix the charger port not working. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.